Hey, what's going on? If you want to get a complete system that makes melting fat easy and is 100% automated, then I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of your page right now. YouTube doesn't let me make that link clickable, so you're actually gonna have to type it into your browser, or I also put the copy of the link in the description, so you can click on that or type it into your browser. Alright, for now, enjoy the video, and after you're done with this video, make sure to go to that link to get a complete fat melting system.
Now time to get into some lateral lunges. So we'll grab a weight, whatever best suits you, put it across our back. We're gonna put our feet together. We're doing 6 at one time in each leg. So what we're gonna do is the leg we step out with is the leg that bends. The other leg stays straight, and when I step, I wanna make sure my foot points straight in front of me, not out to the right? So straight in front of me. And now that leg that steps is the only one that bends. The other one stays straight, my back straight, butt out, head up, all the weights on the heel, kicking my butt out, all the way down to 90, push back and step. Push back and step. Push back and step. The same rules apply with the lunges and the squats as the lateral lunge, that the knee wants to be right over the ankle. We don't want to get this knee going forward. It's just going to put pressure on the knee and not work the right muscles that we want to work. Heel, all the way to the heel. My butt's out. I'm getting all the way down to at least 90 degrees, pushing back. So we're doing 6 and 6. You know the rules. Feel the burn. Let's get a workout. Let's get jacked.
Hey, real quick, one more thing before you go. I want to make sure you know that there is no correlation between how hard you work and how much fat you melt or how much muscle you build. Alright? There's enough science, enough data out there that there's absolutely no correlation between hard work and results. Alright? There's a difference between movement and achievement. Alright? If you want to learn my best tips, what I call the 5% hacks that allow you to get maximum results, maximum fat loss, maximum lean muscle gain, I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of this page, or you can click on the link in the description. You're going to get a complete system for melting fat in an intelligent and streamlined system. I'll see you there.